Hey guys, hi, Akash Sharma here from Traders Guide Live. Guys, many people are facing this problem on the system, right? The whole right-hand side chart is covered up with this, menu options like, chart indicator labels, right? So how to remove these labels, we'll discuss in this video. There are two options to go to the chart settings. You have to click on the blank chart, right? Right click on the blank chart. You will find the settings option. This is the first option. You can click on the settings. This settings page will be open. Another option is you have to click on this settings part, right below this here. Once I click on the settings part, you can find the more settings option. Once I click on more settings, you will find this page. In these there are many options. You have to click on scale and lines, right? Once you go to the scale and lines, you have to if you want to remove this, you can go find the indicator and financial option. You can see here indicator and financial option, the default selected is name, right? Once you uncheck this name, the whole side labels will be removed and your chart will be more clear than earlier. Okay, so by this you can remove the side labels from the chart and clear your chart. Okay, still if you have any confusion, you can click contact me via WhatsApp, right? And I do sell premium indicators. Those who want to purchase a premium indicator that really works in the market, they can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You'll find my WhatsApp number in the description part. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.